Hey guys, Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with just my dad's HO scale rolling stock update. As you can see, 2056 has been brought out to pull the train. The GT can't pull all the cars, but the UP is very capable of pulling these cars, and a handful of these have already been upgraded to metal wheels. So I'm going to pull the train slowly and show you what has been upgraded since the unboxing. This UP car, I had its truck swapped from another Santa Fe reefer that I inherited last year. Put the old trucks on there with its wheels, and the one that was the parts donor was sent off to get KD couplers to be on the main loop that's in the train room. So that car has been upgraded. The two UP hoppers were upgraded last year with metal wheels. Both of those were my dad's. The Penn Central will be one of the next ones to be rebuilt. The gondolas are in very good shape. Those have much thicker plastic wheels, so they were actually in really good shape. The Sherwin-Williams boxcar will be one of the next ones to be rebuilt. And then the last three cars, the Sherwin-Williams tanker, one of the Burlington Northern Reefers, and the Chessie caboose have all been upgraded with metal wheels. The wood weight was removed from this car. The metal weight was fixed on this one and was able to get that one running again. The Chessie car was in fine shape, just needed new wheels, and same with the Sherwin-Williams tanker. The Santa Fe Flyer will also be one of the other trains that will go around the tree. So you will be seeing a mix of these trains going around, and I will allow it to spin around the tree a little bit. And I've got a few other cars that I have yet to touch that are off to the side, which I will talk about those in just a second, like the BN hopper, the other Santa Fe reefer, and the milk car is going to be rebuilt, as well as the little red caboose. And I'm going to show you all some tips in a future video on some issues with the plastic wheels. So really good to see some of this rolling stock be running again. The B&O car is in good shape, and the Santa Fe caboose that was my dad's will have to go through a rebuild as well. So we do have some other projects coming up. So this is one of two Christmas trains that we will have this year. So, but anyway, guys, that about wraps it up for today's video. I hope all of you guys enjoyed. So please remember to like, subscribe, and tap that bell. And let me know what you guys think of this colorful consist in the comments below. I'm pretty happy with it. So more updates on my dad's fleet coming soon. And it is with that, guys, thank you all so much for watching. Happy model building, guys. Take care.